The universe, as we know it, is a vast and mind-bogglingly complex entity, one that has long captivated the imagination of scientists, philosophers, and curious minds alike. For centuries, we have tried to understand how the universe came into being, what it's made of, and what its ultimate fate might be. For a long time, the most widely accepted explanation was the Big Bang theory, which suggests that roughly 13.8 billion years ago, the entire universe, with all its matter, energy, and space, began as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature, and then rapidly expanded into the cosmos we observe today. This theory has served as the foundation for much of modern cosmology and has helped us to understand the formation of galaxies, stars, black holes, and the very fabric of space-time. But, what if this widely accepted theory is only part of the story? What if everything we've learned so far only scratches the surface of a much larger, far more complex cosmic narrative? Could it be that the Big Bang wasn't the beginning of everything, but merely one chapter in an ongoing cycle of birth and death for the universe, part of an endless series of Big Bangs that continue to shape the cosmos? And if that's true, could we be living in a universe that is not isolated, but rather interacting with, colliding with, or even merging with other universes in a cosmic dance that we've never even imagined? Recent discoveries, particularly from cutting-edge instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope, have begun to suggest that there may be more to the story than we ever thought. Astronomers have long known that the universe is expanding, galaxies are moving away from us, and the farther they are, the faster they seem to be receding. This was a groundbreaking revelation in the early 20th century that led to the development of the Big Bang theory. But what if the expansion of the universe isn't just a simple, one-time event that happened billions of years ago? What if it's part of a much larger and ongoing cosmic process, one that involves not just the expansion of our own universe, but the merging of multiple universes, colliding and interacting in ways that we can hardly begin to comprehend? For many years, scientists have operated under the assumption that the universe we inhabit is a singular, unique creation that began with the Big Bang and has been expanding ever since. However, a growing number of researchers are now suggesting that our universe may not be the only one in existence. In fact, some theorists believe that our universe could be just one of many in a much larger multiverse, with each universe possibly having its own laws of physics, history, and fate. And, in a truly mind-bending twist, there are even theories suggesting that these universes may not be entirely separate but might actually be interacting with each other, colliding, merging, or even consuming one another as they grow and evolve. One of the most startling pieces of evidence supporting this idea comes from recent observations of distant galaxies and the expansion of the universe itself. The James Webb Space Telescope, which is providing us with unprecedented views of the cosmos, has made groundbreaking discoveries that are challenging some of our most fundamental assumptions about the universe. For example, the expansion rate of the universe, known as the Hubble constant, has been a subject of intense debate and investigation in recent years. Different measurements of this rate have produced conflicting results, with some suggesting that the universe is expanding much faster than previously thought. This discrepancy, known as the Hubble tension, has led some scientists to question whether there might be more going on than just the simple expansion of our own universe. Could the accelerating expansion be the result of interactions with other universes? Could the strange behavior of distant galaxies and the accelerating expansion of space itself be clues pointing to a much larger cosmic framework, one that includes multiple universes rather than just our own? But the idea of multiple universes is not new. The concept of the multiverse has been a topic of speculation in both science fiction and theoretical physics for decades. In fact, some of the most well-known theories in cosmology, such as inflation theory and string theory, suggest that the universe we observe might just be one bubble in a vast cosmic foam, with countless other universes existing alongside our own, each with its own set of physical laws and properties. However, these ideas have remained largely speculative, with little concrete evidence to support them until now. Recent observations, particularly those made by the James Webb Space Telescope, have hinted at the possibility that the universe we inhabit is not a solitary existence but part of a much larger, interconnected cosmic web. Imagine this: if multiple universes do exist and they are interacting with one another, this could explain some of the strange phenomena we observe in the cosmos. For example, the way galaxies appear to be moving away from each other might not be due to a simple expansion of space, but could be the result of entire universes colliding, merging, or influencing one another in ways that we're only just beginning to understand. In fact, some researchers are now suggesting that what we perceive as the expansion of our universe might actually be the result of our universe merging with others. This radical idea could change everything we know about the cosmos and might provide answers to some of the most perplexing questions in modern cosmology. The idea that our universe could be interacting with other universes might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but the science behind it is actually grounded in some of the most advanced theories in physics. For example, the concept of cosmic inflation, the rapid expansion of the universe in the first few moments after the Big Bang, suggests that space itself can stretch and expand at incredible rates, creating new regions of the cosmos that were once separate but could eventually merge together. If this process is happening on a larger scale, it's possible that entire universes could be expanding, colliding, and interacting with each other in ways we've never considered. But how could we possibly detect such interactions? After all, if we're living in a universe that's merging with others, how would we even know? This is where the work of astronomers like those using the James Webb Space Telescope comes into play. By looking at the most distant galaxies, scientists can observe how the universe is evolving and expanding. But, if universes are colliding or merging, these interactions might leave subtle clues in the way galaxies behave or in the way light travels through space. These clues might be difficult to detect, but with the right tools, it's possible that we could uncover signs of these interactions. If the theories about merging universes are correct, we might even find evidence of other universes out there, universes that we can't directly observe but whose presence might be revealed through their effects on our own universe. At the heart of this new theory is the idea that the expansion of our universe is not a simple, one-time event that began with the Big Bang. Instead, the universe is part of an ongoing, dynamic process, one that involves interactions with other universes in ways we're just beginning to understand. Some researchers even suggest that these interactions could explain some of the mysterious phenomena we observe in the cosmos, such as dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter, which makes up a significant portion of the universe's mass, and dark energy, which is thought to be responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe, could both be the result of interactions with other universes. Perhaps these unseen forces are not just local to our universe but are instead the remnants of past collisions with other universes, influencing our cosmos in ways we can't yet fully grasp. This theory of merging universes might sound outlandish, but it's actually based on some solid scientific principles. The Hubble constant, for example, is a crucial factor in understanding the expansion of the universe, but the conflicting measurements of this value have raised questions about our understanding of cosmic expansion. Could these discrepancies be the result of our universe interacting with other universes? Could the acceleration of the universe's expansion be linked to the merging of cosmic realms? Some scientists believe this might be the case, and by continuing to study the universe with instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope, we might one day uncover definitive proof of these cosmic collisions. In a recent study published in the Journal of Cosmology and Astroparticle Physics, researchers explored this idea further, suggesting that the discrepancies in the Hubble constant might be a result of universe mergers. According to the study, if multiple universes are colliding, the effects of these interactions might be misinterpreted as the expansion of our universe. This bold new hypothesis could provide a new framework for understanding the universe's growth, one that goes beyond the traditional Big Bang model and incorporates the possibility of a much larger, interconnected multiverse. As we continue to explore the universe with ever more powerful tools, it's likely that we'll uncover more evidence to support, or challenge, this theory. The possibility that our universe is part of an ongoing process of cosmic evolution, involving the merging of universes, is a game-changing idea that could rewrite everything we know about the cosmos. And while we may not have all the answers yet, the discoveries being made today are pushing the boundaries of our understanding and opening up new avenues for exploration that we could never have imagined just a few decades ago. The universe, as it turns out, may be even stranger, more complex, and more interconnected than we ever thought possible. And the more we learn, the more we realize that the Big Bang might not be the end of the story, it could be just the beginning of an even bigger, more awe-inspiring cosmic adventure. Whether or not we're on the verge of discovering other universes, or whether we're simply uncovering new layers of understanding within our own universe, one thing is certain: the universe is far from fully understood, and we are only scratching the surface of its mysteries. The future of cosmology is bound to be filled with mind-boggling discoveries that challenge our perceptions of reality and expand our understanding of the cosmos in ways we can't yet predict.